Welcome to all of you, the Standard 4 students. Today we will start the chapter 7, India's climate. Open the page 55. Now we start the climate. India is the home of variety of climatic region because the Thar Desert in the northwest and the Himalayas in the north of the India, it creates the climatic differentiation. Okay, it differentiate the climatic condition of the India. So the climatic condition depends upon two things. When one is weather and another is the climate. What is weather and what is climate? Difference between the weather and climate. First, weather. It is the day-to-day changes in the atmospheric conditions. Because it is hot day, it is cold day, day to day. It is sunny day, it is a cloudy day, it is a windy, today is a calm weather. So it is the condition of the weather, atmospheric condition of the weather, day to day changes. But climate, it is an average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time, over 20 years, 30 years, long period of time. India is a hot climate, but USA is a cold climate because 20 years, 30 years, the cold climate is going on. India, the hot climate is going on. So the climate is an average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time. So the climate is divided as the weather is divided into hot and cold, sunny and cloudy, windy or calm. So climate has also divided into four seasons. Cold weather season called as winter, hot weather season called as summer season, southwest monsoon, that is called rainy season, then season of retreating monsoon, that is called autumn. So winter, summer, rainy and autumn. It is four climatic seasons. So first is the winter season. First, it starts from the November to middle of March, and days are longer and days are shorter. In winter, days are shorter and nights are longer. And third thing, it is the heavy rainfall in the Himalaya. In winter season, heavy snowfall in the Himalayan region, heavy snowfall. But in the summer season, it starts from April to middle June. Second thing is during summer, hot and dry wind blow for the northern western parts of India called as the Lu. Northwestern part of India, the hot weather, hot wind, that is called Lu. In America, South America, North America, that is Chinook. Then Arabian, that is Khamsin. So like the India, that is a hot, dry wind blow from the northwestern part of India is called Lu. Okay. Then third point is the people. Third point is the people visit the hill station to experience the cold and pleasant weather. In the summer season, they went to the hillside, Kulu, Manali, okay, like Dal Lake, Ular, the boating, because in the hillside, that is higher you go, cooler you feel. That is the longitudinal, latitudinal. Okay, so in the then winter season, then summer season, then comes to the rainy season. There is a heavy rainfall in India during June to September due to the influence of monsoon wind. There is a monsoon wind. Okay, due to the monsoon wind from the southwest monsoon, the southwest part of the monsoon, it is called the monsoon wind. The monsoon wind starts from the Indian Ocean. Evaporation comes up, okay, higher it will go. Then it divides into two branches from Kanyakumari. It divides, bifurcate two parts. One is Bay of Bengal branch, another is the Arabian branch. Here is the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. So two branches, one branch that southwest monsoon divide, bifurcate here in the bifurcate in this peninsular side. One side go to the one branch go to the Bay of Bengal branch, another is the Arabian branch, and it returns from the autumn. In autumn season, it returns in the jet stream. You will read in the 8th and 9th class. Jet stream is here. Here the evaporation is going on. Always evaporation is going on, but in summer season evaporation fast. So it is divides into two parts. One is Bay of Bengal part, another is the Arabian branch. Bay of Bengal branch, Arabian branch. Two branches. Then it comes to the, and it rains here, and this branch rains this side. Mausinaraam is the highest rainfall. But here the Arabian Sea, in the Aravali Hill, this branch, Arabian branch, strike on the Aravali Hill, so that Rajasthan is the dry area. Rajasthan and Ran of Kutch, less rainfall in the rainy season, is less rainfall. But here Mausinaraam is the Meghalaya Mausinaraam is the highest rainfall in the India, highest rainfall. So the Bay of Bengal branch had gone to the Mausinaraam, and the Arabian branch gone to the Aravali Hill. So it becomes dry due to the Aravali Hill. It strikes on the Aravali Hill, not move towards the Rajasthan, that rain bearing wind. Okay, so this is all about the rainy season, and the Meghalaya branch rainfall and Ran of Kutch in Gujarat, and the Ran of Kutch in Gujarat and Rajasthan side, that is less rainfall. Then autumn season, when it return back, the southwestern monsoon winds move back from the mainland over the sea, that monsoonal wind that in autumn season that returns this way over the sea, and they take away the rain bearing from that sea, and Andhra Pradesh and Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, it will rain in winter season, not others. Others are the dry wind, no rain bearing wind. But when that monsoon winds return back over the sea from the mainland, that is the rain bearing wind comes taking out from this Bay of Bengal branch, and it falls on the Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. That is winter season, it rains. But here in other parts there is no rain. In autumn season there is no rain. So after that, the factors affecting the climate. Four factors are there. First is location. Second is altitude. Third is distance from the sea. Fourth is relief feature. Relief feature is Dras and the Jaisalmer and Bikaner of Rajasthan. There is very hot, but in the Dras and Kargil of Kashmir, that is very cold. That is the relief features, factors of relief. And the Mumbai and Calcutta experience moderate climate due to the nearness of the sea. Okay, and Delhi, that the farness of the sea. That is the not nearness of the sea. That is too far distance from the sea. That is Delhi. Okay, so there is no effect from the sea, but Mumbai, Calcutta, that is effect of the sea, nearness of the sea. That is, then now in the coastal area, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Orissa, there is a coastal area. In the coastal area, neither hot nor cold. That is humid climate. So it is all about the factors of the affecting climate. So it is all about the climate. So write down in the assignment copy and send it to the school for the correction. So all the questions from this, it will come as the word, the one word answer. Then what are the 4 seasons due to the climate? Then the weather, how it affects, hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, or windy or calm. Okay, like this. It is all about the India's climate. Thank you all of you.